Hey guys, so I just came from supermarket and I bought some turkey and some fish. So I'm gonna clean it up and then cook it. And before that, wash some dishes. This is the fish that I'm gonna be cleaning. Hey guys, so it's 6:10 and I've cleaned the fish and the turkey. I'm gonna the fish I'll probably just bake like 4 for tonight for dinner, and then the rest I'll bake it tomorrow. But the turkey, I'm coming to blend my ginger. For the turkey, I'm gonna blend my ginger, garlic, and onions and spices and let it cook. And then tomorrow I will bake it. I am tired tonight. I have work, so this is it. Like, I need to rest, waiting for my husband to come home so that I can I'm gonna find something to eat right now, and then when he comes home, I'm leaving them and I'm going in the room. I'm done for today. Alrighty, don't forget to subscribe, okay? Careful out here. So guys, my daughter came home with this I think someone's birthday party, so they gave them this mold. Guys, I hate this mold. I don't like it because when they start messing with it with the water and it get on your carpet, it get on your stuff, it's hard to take it off, and I don't like it. I don't know why I pulled it out. My son saw it, so he wants it now, but I don't like it, this mold thing. Comment at the comment section and let me know. Like, I don't like this. Parents, what do you think? Guys, so my husband is home and I'm going to warm me up some bangkun and the fish that I just put in the air oven, and get me some shito, and I'm gonna relax and eat, and then from there I'll go to sleep because I got work tonight. Alrighty. Not ready yet. 5 more minutes. Hi guys, this is the turkey from yesterday, and yes, I'm about to air fry them. I love turkey. So yeah. Guys, it's Thursday. Yeah, I'm making spinach stew for dinner. Yeah. Gonna be delicious. Guys, when I went to the supermarket on Tuesday, I bought this ground shrimps, and it's a lot inside. It was $24, and I bought it because I wanted some shito, so I'm gonna let my mom make some shito for me. So I have this old peanut butter. It's finished, so I'm gonna clean it and pour some in this glass this jar, peanut butter jar, and then so I can be using it for my food. Yeah, so yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing right now, because I think there's a lot inside to you know, to make some shito and have some for the house. Instead of using Maggie Q, I think like it's perfect to, it's better to use the you know, the shrimp powder for your food to get a flavor. So yeah, that's what I do most of the time. Been good, and we cannot wait for society to welcome us with open arms. Aren't you notorious? Hi guys, it's Saturday and Jeffrey are here. It's Saturday and we have a lot to do, guys. I have to drop up stuff. I'm doing spring cleaning, so I have a lot of things that I need to give away, go and give away. So I'm going downstairs. This is how I'm looking, guys. Simple and cute. This is stop. Yeah. So I'm going downstairs. Yeah, guys, I'm giving away the kids winter jacket because I know they're not gonna. It's not gonna fit them next year. So I'm clearing the house and getting rid of all their clothes. Let's go, Lucy. Come. So I have 3 stops to go, guys. It's about 12 o'clock. Yeah, guys, these kids, they have so much clothes, their winter clothes, so I'm trying to get rid of them, and then so yeah. Hey guys, so this is us in the evening, around 5:30. We're in front of McDonald's. I asked my husband to stop at McDonald's because it was so hot. We needed something cold. I missed that McDonald's ice cream cone, and we got a little something for the kids, but that Lucy was gone. Lucy was tired, so she fell asleep. But we bought some nuggets and fries. The nuggets and fries didn't taste good. And after that, we did about 4 stops. So we stopped. We went to my mom's place. She got to see the grandkids. From there, I stopped at my friend's house to get some things that she bought from Ghana for me. She got me some nice palm oil zomi. So yeah, Yeah, so guys, after that, I stopped at my friend's house to give her my kids clothes because she have an orphanage in Ghana. So she sent things to Ghana, clothes to Ghana. And after that, oh, we're supposed to give Daniel a haircut, but we couldn't. We were so tired. But then our last stop was at my husband's mom's place. Yes, we had a good time. All the grandmoms got to see their grandkids, and we had a good day. We got home tired. Guys, thank you so much for watching my channel. God bless you for watching Cheer for Yes channel. Please don't forget to like, comment, or leave an emoji or something. And enjoy your life, guys. Alrighty, thank you for watching Cheer for Yes channel. Bye bye.